Use synthetic division to divide f of x equals to x cubed minus 7x squared minus 20x plus 96 by x minus 8, and use the result to find all zeros of the function f. After arranging f of x in the descending powers of x, write the synthetic tableau as shown below. The function is already in the descending powers of x. So bring down the first number 1, multiply 8 with 1 and place it under negative 7 and add. That gives you 1. Multiply 8 with 1 and place it under negative 20 and add. This gives you negative 12. And multiply 8 with negative 12, place it under positive 96 and add. The result is 0, which is the remainder. The quotient is x squared plus x minus 12. We can therefore write the given function x cubed minus 7x squared minus 20x plus 96 equals to the product of x minus 8 and the quotient x squared plus x minus 12. In order to find the zeros, set the product x minus 8 and x squared plus x minus 12 to 0. Using zero product property, we have x minus 8 equals to 0, or x squared plus x minus 12 equals to 0, which means x equals to 8, or x plus 4 times x minus 3 equals to 0, which is obtained by factoring x squared plus x minus 12. If the quotient is not factorable, then we can use quadratic formula. And so x plus 4 times x minus 3 equals to 0 implies x equals to negative 4 or x equals to 3. And therefore, the zeros of the given function are negative 4, 3, and 8.